Ache Baba, Ache Yeye, Ache Lofi, Ache Ifa, Ache Rumila, Ache Legua, Ache Echo, Ache Ogun, Ache Osiosun, Ache Badala, Ache Chango, Ache Oya, Ache Ochung, Ache Yamaya, Ache Aye, Ache Egun, Ache Egbe.
Each Odu will have a seifa or verses that speak to the teachings of the Odu. Everyone can learn and benefit from the positive advice provided within each of the 256 Odu. Through the process of Ifa divination, additional specific advice and a bold prescription information contained within the Odu that may apply to your specific situation can be revealed and interpreted by an experienced Ifa priest. This video will provide information about the Odu known as Yobi, which may also be referred to as Baba Ejiogbe or Ogbe Meji. Baba Ejiogbe Meji Odu is the first one of the 16 Meji or 16 principal Odu. Ogbe Meji talks about blessings of many types of success and positive transitions in your life. It talks about influential leadership positions in high places. This can be government-related positions, political, or any other positions in which you have a voice and others can be influenced by you. Being aware of the ability to influence others and doing so in a positive way is a very important message within this Odu. This Odu talks about the importance of good behavior and always maintaining composure in all situations. Ifa advises that we always appreciate what we already have and show gratitude for it. Yobi is the first Odu of the 256 Odu. It encompasses influential aspects from the rest of the 256 Odu. It is considered to be the head of the Odu Ifa corpus. We have provided high-level interpretations of the Odu in an effort to convey its message more efficiently. Each of the 256 Odu contain many Odu Ifa verses. Baba Ejiogbe Odu ensures a comfortable life. The most important things will be available for you in abundance. It is important to show gratitude and appreciate these things. Many positive transitions will begin to happen in your life, if they haven't already. Yobi teaches the importance of good behavior in life. Baba Ejiogbe recommends and implies the importance of maintaining good behavior in life. Ifa warns not to fall victim to negative behavior and temptation. This will not help to progress in your life. Ifa advises to incorporate good behavior as part of our personality and sustain this good behavior in everyday life. Doing so will ensure you don't lose all for which you have worked hard for. Yobi teaches us to avoid the emotion of revenge. Ogbe Meji talks about blessings of victory over enemies, without the need to intentionally act maliciously towards them. You are advised to offer a bow to ensure none of your enemies obtain any power over you that can potentially harm you or block your path in any way. If you are an Ifa priest or priestess, you have the additional responsibility of maintaining proper composure, good behavior, and the responsibility of abiding by the regulations set by Ifa. This will help to put you in a position with less enemies. Ifa priests are the conduit between Olodumare, Echu, or Elegua, and humans. A Babalawo has the power to help humanity progress in a positive direction. They must always behave in a positive manner with their family, their community, and within Ifa. It is a responsibility for the Babalawo or Yanifa to respect the abilities they have and always utilize it for good. Ifa provides justice for all of us. Anyone with bad intentions against a person that strives to maintain proper composure and good behavior and do good in life will be convicted by Ifa for their unjustified actions. Yobi teaches us we can live long, enjoyable lives despite of any conflicts or obstacles that we encounter. Baba Ejiogbe Meji Odu talks about blessings of victory over all negative situations and or negative people that may be against us. Continue to make good choices. The sacrifice is necessary and trust in Ifa. Have faith. Ifa says you will live a long and enjoyable life. Yobi teaches us the benefits of a strong marital relationship. This Odu talks about blessings for you and your spouse. Ifa advises both should offer a boat within the home to maintain a positive environment and a strong, prosperous relationship. Remember, the key to any good relationship is to always stay well communicated with each other. Yobi teaches us that sacrifice brings success. This Odu talks about the importance of offering a boat and making sacrifices in order to have great success in life. The definition of great success may be different for each person. Having a good balance in your life will contribute towards living a fulfilling life. Consider the example of a balanced life involving positive family development between man, woman, and child, development of spiritual beliefs and faith, development of career and or business. Yobi teaches us to have patience while we are on the road to success. This Odu talks about blessings of victory in your destiny pertaining to goals you have set. Being patient will help you to be successful in your life. Ifa advises you to continue offering a boat and making sacrifices to achieve your success. Yobi teaches us dignity of a good leader. This essay talks about becoming and being a good leader that is able to successfully accomplish good things for oneself and for those that follow you. Ifa advises to continue offering a boat and making sacrifices to ensure victory over all obstacles that present themselves in your way. Be mindful if you're in a position where you can influence others. Remember to do so in a positive way. Yobi teaches us to be aware of and appreciate what we already have. This essay Ifa talks about blessings of wealth directly associated with the workplace or the work we are currently involved in. Ifa advises that both should be offered. Ifa mentions you should not have any fears if you currently have a lead or a high-level position in your career. Yobi teaches us to appreciate Echu. This essay talks about good fortune and blessings as well. Ifa advises us to offer a bow and propitiate Echu properly. Pray to Echu for all that we want to accomplish. Without Echu, we would not be able to accomplish most things. It is his ability to communicate with Olodumare and the Orishas that provides a channel to communicate our petitions and show our appreciation to the universe for all that we have in our lives. Yobi teaches us to appreciate what mothers do. This essay Ifa talks about blessings en route to you. Offer a bow to clear the path and ensure the arrival of your success. Ifa mentions appreciation and acknowledgement should be given to mothers. Offerings should also be given to the spirit of mothers that have passed away. The traditions that mothers passed down to us should be well respected and appreciated. Yobi advises us to take care of our employment opportunities. Baba Yobi talks about blessings of wealth for you. Ifa advises you to maintain and pay attention to the work you are currently doing now. It is a good source of income. Ifa advises you to look after your employment and do the best you can do. Behave appropriately and with good conduct. Treat all your work colleagues equally and with respect. Avoid any arguments and avoid making enemies. Ifa advises you to properly propitiate your Ori. Yobi teaches us luck comes in different forms. This essay Ifa talks about many blessings of riches in your future by continuing to do the things in which you are most knowledgeable and comfortable in doing. Continue to develop yourself in the areas you are most familiar and comfortable with. You will have good luck in your life brought to you by individuals that are close to you. Ifa advises you to continue offering a bow to ensure positive results in your life. Yobi teaches us not to disclose details about our plans. This essay Ifa talks about blessings of wealth and many types of success in your destiny. Ifa also advises not to carelessly reveal your plans or secrets to others, which may cause interference with your plans. This is to ensure your plans are carried out successfully. Yobi teaches us to appease our Ori. This essay Ifa talks about blessings of a new position or title coming soon. Ifa advises you to appease your Ori to bring clarity and attract good luck into your life. Initiating into Ifa to become a Babalabo or a Yanifa may be part of your destiny. If you find this video to be a positive influence, please click the thumbs up button. Please consider subscribing to this channel and click the bell notification button to be notified when new Ifa Odu videos are published. Please also share this video with someone you know to help influence them in a positive way. Have a blessed and positive day. Ache.